Castor oil, the hidden gem your health routine never knew it needed. Ever wondered if your kitchen cabinet might hold the secret to feeling better, faster? Today, we're diving into something unexpected: castor oil. Yes, that sticky, slightly mysterious bottle your grandmother swore by. But wait, don't scroll away just yet. What if I told you pairing castor oil with a simple pantry staple like baking soda could unlock solutions to health issues you never thought had quick fixes? Stay with me, because this isn't your typical home remedy talk. Let's start with why castor oil is even worth the hype. Loaded with ricinoleic acid, this powerhouse ingredient has been trusted for centuries to soothe inflammation, improve digestion, and even promote glowing skin. But when you add baking soda into the mix, a natural alkalizing agent known for its antibacterial properties, you're stepping into a whole new level of wellness hacks. And no, we're not talking pseudoscience. This is practical, tested, and backed by some surprising studies. 1. Joint pain relief. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties, combined with baking soda's alkalizing effects, can reduce joint pain. Create a paste, apply it to the affected area, and wrap it in a warm cloth. Leave it for an hour, and you'll notice a significant reduction in discomfort. 2. Skin hydration and repair. Dry, flaky skin? Mix castor oil and baking soda into a gentle scrub. Massage it onto problem areas to exfoliate and hydrate, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. 3. Acne treatment. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, this combo can combat acne effectively. Dab a small amount onto blemishes and let it sit overnight. Rinse in the morning for clearer skin. 4. Scar and stretch mark fading. Regular application of castor oil and baking soda can help fade scars and stretch marks. The mixture stimulates collagen production, improving skin texture over time. 5. Detoxifying foot soak. Soak your feet in warm water with castor oil and baking soda to relieve fatigue and detoxify. This remedy is perfect after a long day. 6. Hair growth stimulation. Apply castor oil with a pinch of baking soda to your scalp. This mixture boosts circulation and balances pH, encouraging healthy hair growth. 7. Dandruff control. Tired of itchy, flaky scalp? Massage the mixture into your scalp to reduce dandruff. Baking soda helps exfoliate while castor oil moisturizes. 8. Constipation relief. Castor oil is a natural laxative. Take a teaspoon orally, but consult a doctor if you're unsure. It provides quick relief from constipation. 9. Wound healing. This mixture can aid minor cuts and scrapes. Apply it gently to clean wounds to reduce infection risk and speed up healing. 10. Insect bites and stings. For bug bites, apply the mixture to calm itching and reduce swelling. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders. 11. Wart and mole reduction. Apply daily to warts or moles. Over time, the mixture can diminish their appearance naturally. 12. Dark circle reduction. For tired eyes, mix a small amount and gently dab it under your eyes. It helps reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. 13. Fungal infections. This combo combats fungal infections like athlete's foot. Apply twice daily for noticeable results. 14. Muscle soreness relief. After an intense workout, Massage the paste onto sore muscles. It reduces inflammation and promotes relaxation. But here's where things take a twist. This isn't just about physical fixes. There's a mental aspect too. Have you ever considered how simple self-care routines like these can improve your overall mood? The time you take to care for your body with such remedies sends a signal to your brain that you're prioritizing yourself, and trust me, that's a win-win for your health. Now, before you dive into mixing these ingredients for every little ailment, let's be real. While this duo is impressive, it's not a one-size-fits-all miracle. Moderation and understanding your body's needs are key. Some conditions may require medical advice, and this isn't a replacement for professional care. But for minor aches, skin troubles, or a detox day, it's a game changer. So what's the takeaway here? Your health doesn't always need expensive fixes or complicated routines. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are right under your nose, or in this case, in your kitchen. And here's the kicker. This video is just the beginning. We've got a treasure trove of other remedies, tips, and life hacks waiting for you in our previous videos. Don't miss out on leveling up your self-care game. Like, share, and let us know which remedy you're excited to try next. Because when it comes to feeling your best, we're just getting started.